How you guys doing today? Thanks for coming by Uncle Big Boy's Barbecue Kitchen again. We got a Z grill in the mail. We're excited about it. We're gonna put it together. We're doing an installation video. We're not gonna go through the details on it. We're basically just gonna shoot us putting it together. If there's any tricky parts, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna explain to them how I figured them out and what they were, so you can be aware of that as well. And then, of course, we'll do a burn off and a review of the grill as we use it over the next year, getting cooks on it. All right, cool. I just want to stop for a second and let you all know I don't tighten all the screws up until I get everything kind of lined up. Key little hint for things, putting things together like this. Okay, never mind. Hold on. Back to this fast forwarding, please. The fast forwarding, please. Thank you. Wax on, wax off, Junior.
Yeah. Hold on a second, hold on. No, it's gotta go this way.
Nothing a little glue's not gonna fix, I'm sure. Poof! Done. Not too many difficult things. Went together, I don't know, about an hour and a half. I got kids, chaos. So that kind of adds to it. But we're gonna get the burn on now, and the preliminary burn, and we'll let you know how that goes. And pretty much it was simple to put together. It's a Chinese-made smoker grill, and you know, we'll see how it works. Alright, Mel. I'm Jeremy, otherwise known as Uncle Big Boy. I'm the one that told you I was going to do a review. I've already done the assembly video. I found a couple of issues. You'll see it in the video when I get it. We've seasoned it. We've ran some chickens through it. We've ran some ribs through it. Totally impressed with the smoke ring. Cooked perfect on short cooks, like 4 hours, 5 hours, right? So now we're going to be running this beautiful pork shoulder right here. It's 1 o'clock in the morning now. 1 o'clock in the morning. We're going to set it and forget it at 225. So that leaves it safe to not be overcooked, because it's a 10-pounder. It's at 225. I got it on a digital thermometer tracking it. We're gonna see how it really turns out, and I'll see it around 6 o'clock in the morning. We'll check in with you, Mel. I'm excited. Mel, it's now 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I literally just put this pork shoulder to rest for an hour. I cooked it at 225 from 1 o'clock to 7 o'clock this morning. Then I spritzed it until it got to 163 about 4 times every half hour. Then we put it back in here at 225, and at 1 o'clock it tested temperature at 203. Had no problems with the grill running all night long. I actually took a nap. You can see it's creating a beautiful smoke. We've been using it for about a week now. Smoked a couple things. So from 1 a.m. it was filled to about up here. From 1 a.m. to 1 a.m. to, well, hell, it's 1 p.m., isn't it?
Mhm.
So that's how many hours? 12 hours.
It'd be 13 hours because you lit it at midnight.
Okay, so 13 hours. So this ran for 13 hours. It's still probably got another 6 hours left in it, maybe 5. Yeah. So far, pretty good. But you know what? That's a bad design. Those don't stick in there. They keep popping out. So I gotta glue it in. I don't like that. Other than that, maybe some stripping around the edge. That'd be a good improvement. Probably wouldn't cost a lot either for the manufacturer. Take better care of packaging the inside, because as you can see, I still have this bent thermometer over here. But it's working, so I'm not gonna ask you to replace it. It works, and you can see that I run thermometers anyways on another system, so I'm not fully relying on that. And I wasn't expecting that to be like the most accurate thing in the world. For a reasonably priced grill, it does an amazing job, and I'm really, really pleased with it. I think the casters and everything you put on it are top notch. I think it's built well. The lid feels somewhat heavy, you know, so that gives you the sense that it's quality made. It could be a little heavier, or maybe some way to keep it from doing this flex, but you know what? Other than that, it's a really great grill, and I appreciate it, Mel. And look forward to putting the grill together video and maybe some of our cook videos on our YouTube page of Uncle Big Boy's Barbecue Kitchen, Mel. I'm Jeremy. I hope I see you there.